Good morning, students. This is your chapter 6, that is physical and chemical changes. Students, in our day to day life, we are observing so many changes from morning to evening. Daily, we are observing so many changes around surrounding our house, surrounding our environment and inside our house also. Some changes we can observe at home, some in school, playground, park, and other places like market and everywhere. For example, suppose water is boiling when we are giving or when we are providing heat. Okay? Sometimes iron rust in moist air, milk changes into curd, and ripening of fruits, burning of wood or matchstick, or burning of paper, burning of cloth, and melting of ice, and changing of weather. These are some different examples where we observe the different changes. So, in this chapter, what we will learn? We will learn about the nature of these changes, and these changes are of two types, physical and chemical changes. Now first we will see about the physical change. In physical change, no new substance is formed, only the size, shape and color and state of substance is changed. There is if we expect new substance will form in physical change, no new substance is formed, only physical change, only shape, size and state of the matter will change. So what is the physical change? A change in which only the physical properties of a substance get changed and no new substance is formed is called a physical change. We will see some examples where it explains very well how the physical changes takes place. Here one activity is given. You have to take one paper. Okay. In this paper, make some pieces, some big pieces, some small pieces. Okay. So when you cut all these pieces, when you cut this complete page in different size of papers, here the size of paper is small, here the size of paper is big. Okay, cut this paper and keep it like this. Okay, if you cannot join the cut pieces of paper to make it into a single original sheet of paper, before cutting यहाँ पे ऐसे कोई, जब तक आपने इस पेपर को कट नहीं किया था, इट विल कंसिडर अ होल पेपर, वो एक कंप्लीट पेपर था. बट आफ्टर कटिंग, आफ्टर मेकिंग डिफरेंट शेप्स ऑफ द पेपर, इफ़ यू वांट टू जॉइन इट, जब आप इसको ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक द पेपर टू कंप्लीट. आप इसको फिर से कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते. बट ईच स्मॉल पीस ऑफ पेपर इज स्टिल अ पेपर इफ़ यू कीप इट लाइक दिस. सपोज आपने पहले 4 बिग पीस किए, देन इस बड़े पीस में से भी आपने और छोटे 4 पीस किए. अगर आपने फिर से वापस ही पेपर को एज इट इज़ रखा, इट विल लुक लाइक अ पेपर. ओके, शेप इज चेंज हियर बट no new substance is formed. So this proves that in physical change only size, color and state of a shape, size and state, color and state of a matter will change. Now we'll see on the next activity, that is melting of ice. Here this ice is in a solid form. Okay, so if you take out this ice from fridge, okay, and this ice will melt after heating. If you apply heat to this bowl, this ice will melt automatically. After melting, if you again keep this water inside the freezer, what happened? Again it will become ice. Okay, so no new substance is formed, So this is also a physical change. Now we'll see some more examples of physical change in our day-to-day life, like stretching of a rubber band, grinding of a substance, expansion and contraction of substance on heating and cooling, melting of wax. These activities you can do at home and understand the physical changes very well. Formation of clouds, magnetization of piece of iron, hammering of metals, stretching of metals. These are some examples which shows the physical change. Now we'll see the characteristics of physical changes. During a physical change, only some of the physical properties like size, shape, color and state change, and no new substance is formed. And second one, a physical change is generally reversible. This change is reversible. बेटर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव गिवन कि आइस को जब आप फ्रिज से बाहर निकालते हो इट विल बी इन अ सॉलिड स्टेट. आफ्टर हीटिंग इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू लिक्विड स्टेट, and again that liquid water, if you keep for cooling inside the freezer, again it will become the ice or in a solid state. Third one, no overall energy change takes place. Okay, and next one is the chemical composition of a substance remains the same during a physical change. Okay students, I hope you understand about this. This is all about the physical changes and their characteristics. About the chemical change we will discuss in our next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.